Hi guys, for today what we are cooking is going to surprise my kids. For the first time in my life in Norway, I've brought in some chicken feet. Yes guys, we are going to cook the feet. A huge amount of salt and just let it stand for 10 minutes. Just in case there's anything in those nails. I believe in salt. The feet has been standing in water for about 15 minutes. I've rinsed them out. What I'm going to do is to try to remove the nails. Yes, I'm going to give them some manicure, guys, because I think it kind of grows me out to eat the chicken feet with the nails on. This is something that I've never cooked in my house here in Norway, but in Africa or Cameroon, where I'm coming from, we used to eat chicken feet. What about you? Comment below, have you ever eaten chicken feet before? But this is the first time my children are going to try this. How do you prepare your chicken feet? While I'm prepping my chicken, I'm also boiling some water by the side. I'm going to pour very hot water into the chicken feet. It's going to make it easy to clean. Guys, I just want to say this. This in Norway is 75 kroner. It's a lot for chicken feet. So I do this. If you would like to peel some of the skin off, now is the perfect time. If you see any skin here, you can easily peel it off. Green pepper, onion, bay leaf, ginger, black pepper, bell pepper, garlic, and seasoning. Let's cook. Because I want this sauce to have a little bit of a red color, I'm going to add a little bit of tomato puree in it. Just 2 spoons, not very much. Chicken stock, and then some salt and dry pepper. Most of the time why I'm using dry pepper here is because it's difficult for me to find fresh pepper. If I want to buy fresh pepper, I have to go all the way to Oslo. So this is good. Tastes same and even better. it should cost $1 million to look this good. Okay, I'm just joking, but guys, to cook this chicken, you should cook it through, cook it soft so the bone becomes chewable. If not, you are not going to enjoy it. There is so little flesh on chicken feet that if it is not cooked properly, you will struggle to eat it, and that way you are not going to like it. But I'm looking forward to save this to my children. I'm going to cook this for about 13 minutes. It begins to look like Christmas everywhere you go. Add some green spices, fresh green spices from my garden. What will you like to eat with this? Rice, plantain, or yam? Comment below. Any. Whenever you put your spices, just turn off the heat. Let's dish this. I know exactly what my children are going to say. Ew, ew. So guys, we have decided in this house they are going to try what I make, and then they can decide if they would like to continue eating it or not. Remember to follow. Bye guys.